Hey guys, Alex here from Metro Hobbies, and today is a special day because we have received in the DJI Tello. This is a long-awaited little drone that's going to compete in the cheaper end of the market. If you want a drone that can, take high-quality images, fly around, is super stable, then this is your guy. So let's start with the price actually. So this is going to go for $169. And what features it comes with is it comes with 13 minutes of flight time, which is it's probably about double than the average. Generally it's about 5-6 minutes, so this is a huge step up. 13 minutes flight time, that's a long time. And the quality of it is in 720p. A lot of the other ones shoot in like 320, 460. This is 720. So you got a high quality camera that flies for a long time. That by itself already is that's pretty great. On top of that, you can do flips with it. You touch and hold on the screen and you'll be able to do a flip. It can do auto takeoff and landing by the touch of a button. So it's very easy to get up in the air. It actually has like a throw function as well. So if you turn it on and throw it in the air, supposedly it's supposed to level out. Now I haven't tried this, I'm a bit scared too, but we'll give it a go later and see how we go. Other than that, its stability is mainly from a vision control system, which is like a sonar system. So you can see these two black dots on there. They're like a sonar. They send a signal back and forth, and that's how it's able to keep its stability. Which I'll show you some footage of that soon. On top of that, it has the safety features. So if it gets a low battery, it'll give you a warning, start to auto land. If it loses connection, and it has auto land features, and you can control it out of the box for $169 with your phone. On top of that, you can get a controller as well, and you can get a headset, so you can do FPV with it. So it's a really all-inclusive kind of drone. For its price, I think it's amazing. I'll show you some flight footage of it as well. It's very smooth, it's quite easy to control. I think it's going to be a huge, for its price point, it's going to be great. All right. Now it's also got an extra feature in that whereby you can get a software called Scratch, and you can put in these programming blocks. So it's supposed to teach kids how to program, or adults actually. But yeah, so it's like a first step into programming. But anyway, that's enough of the features. Let's get into some footage of it. Alright, so that's it for the footage, guys. It flew extremely well. It was on the slow setting. I didn't actually try the fast setting. And the footage itself, sometimes it jumped a little bit due to a bad connection. So we had power cables outside. I think that's the big issue, but like I wouldn't expect too much range out of this, to be honest. But overall, a really great drone. Come into store, we have a demo that we can fly for you guys, maybe even give you a little try. And yeah, it's expected in April, hopefully the first week of April, so give us a call if you want to pre-order it. I think this drone will be pretty big, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time.